y'all, it's me Marty and welcome back to Glam with Marty. Today I have a Boxycharm, just keeps like going, man. It keeps coming with just the best products in the world. So I have the May edition of the Ipsy Boxycharm by Ipsy box. I hate the way they're constructed. I complained about this last time, I think, but I hate the way they're constructed. But anyway, so this is the box. I have 2 eyeshadow palettes, 1 setting spray, a hair mask, and a moisturizer. So if you guys want to see what I got in the May Ipsy Boxycharm by Ipsy Glam box, you can just keep watching. Thanks. Alright y'all, so before we get started, some housekeeping. Let's talk tiers. So Boxycharm by Ipsy they have changed a couple things. I do want to show y'all that you can now, you have access to the Ipsy app if you are a charmer. That was something I hated about Boxycharm, but I loved about Ipsy, that they had the Ipsy app. And in this app, you can see right here, you get access to your full box. You get your box breakdown before it comes. So I knew what I was getting. I want to give y'all some information on the boxes. First of all, you can get the Ipsy app now. You get to pick on this one. I have the Boxycharm box. I think they call it Boxycharm by Ipsy. It's the second tier up. The first one is the glam bag. You have the glam bag, which is the old school Ipsy the old school Ipsy glam bag. That's what I had first. Before I joined Boxycharm, I was an Ipster. I'll put a card for one of the reviews. I don't know which one. I'm just gonna pick a random one, and I'll put that card right there. $13 a month. The second tier is the Boxycharm, which is the one I have. It is Boxycharm by Ipsy. It's the second tier. It comes in that pink box. You get 5 full-size items. The Ipsy one, you only get like sample size and deluxe sample sizes, which is why I stopped using it. 5 full-size items. You get to choose 3 of them, and the other 2 are going to be power picks that they select for you. And the power picks are supposed to be like higher end products. I'll show you guys my power picks this month. You also have access to the add-ons and the charm room. Add-ons is what used to be the drop shop pretty much. After you select your 3 items, they'll kick you to add-ons, and you can search through. They got everything from makeup, skincare, body care, all kinds of things in there. So, and that is going to retail for $28 a month. Now that's not including taxes. With taxes and everything, if I remember correctly, it comes to like 32, 33 bucks. And then you have the icon box, which is quarterly, which used to be the luxe box. That's gonna come quarterly, and it's personalized by a icon. Like the last one they had was Anastasia, Soiree from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that is going to be $58 a quarter. So they give them out in February, May, August, and November. And it replaces your regular shipment box. So it looks like there's no more premium box. They got rid of the premium. Anyway, that's that for all of the tiers. If you guys want to check it out, I do always have it linked down below in the description. My Ipsy share link. Not an affiliate code or anything. I don't get paid. As I usually do, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what I won't be reviewing today, what I can't review today. The only thing I'm not going to be reviewing today, I managed to do everything else. The only thing I won't be reviewing today is this BeautyStat Vitamin C Skin Refiner. It is by BeautyStat. I don't know what BeautyStat is, but it looks like it's just a moisturizer, but I literally just put a new moisturizer in. I started using the Saturday Skin one. Y'all can see me review that on Self-Care Sunday. I started using that. I'm going to give y'all a price point on it, but I won't be reviewing that. But if y'all want to see me review that, y'all can check out my TikTok page, because that's where I do Self-Care Sundays, and that's where I usually catch up with products I wasn't able to use on video. This Universal C Skin Refiner, it retails for, drumroll please, on the website, oh my god. Okay, according to Ipsy, this little moisturizer is $85. It is a vitamin C serum. Wow, can I believe that? So, yeah. So that's that one. That's the only thing I won't be reviewing today. That is also one of my power picks. The other power pick I got, it's my favorite product of the week, for sure, of the month. It's insane. Let me show y'all this thing. My eyeshadow today. This is the Ace Beautè Dusty Rose palette. Y'all, look at this. Oh my god. I'm going to throw y'all to the swatches right now so y'all can see how beautiful this is. It is just freaking stunning. Like, I don't know. Oh my god, it's so good. Let me show y'all what the palette looks like here. I'm gonna throw y'all to some footage of me trying it out. This is what it looks like. This is the outside box. This is the palette itself. Now, are y'all ready? Because on the pictures, it did not pans justice. This is the palette. These shimmers, y'all. The mattes were okay. They were a little patchy, I'm not gonna lie, but the shimmers are so gorgeous. This palette, the color story, it's different, it's beautiful. It's like more cool tone than I'm used to, but It's just, I mean, I can't say enough good things about this palette. I really wanted it when I saw that it was an option, and y'all know me, if I have an option for an eyeshadow palette, I'm taking the eyeshadow palette, but this one wasn't an option. It was a power pick. Ace Beauté is a brand I have fallen in love with since joining Boxycharm, because they have a lot, like their shimmers, when they say shimmer, they say shimmer. Like their highlighter palette they gave a while back, absolutely outstanding. This, absolutely outstanding. I could eat this palette. It's so beautiful. Look at that. This one, for sure, no doubt, 5 out of 5 diamonds. This is my favorite one of the month of May. It's just, it's beautiful. I wish I would have gotten to review it earlier, because I would have been wearing the crap out of this product. It's just, let me give you all the price point on this. Yeah, okay, so the Ace Beauté Smoky Roses eyeshadow palette, it retails for $39. So it's beautiful. And I am going to link everything down below. So if you want to check it out, you can do so. Beautiful. Oh, y'all know what else I got? The Violet Sage palette from Ace Beauté. That thing was beautiful too. They don't miss. Next one, one of my picks. The picks this time were kind of, I wasn't super excited. Well, no, I was excited about one of them. I wasn't super excited about some of them, but one I was really excited about, so I'm going to talk to y'all about that in a second. The second thing I want to talk to y'all about is this Pineapple and Coconut Prep and Prime Polishing Primer for your hair. It is from the brand Style Dry, and it says with horsetail plant extract. So I used this when I did my hair. Let me take it out of the little style it's in. I used it before I flat ironed. Okay, when I washed my hair, I used this mask from Style Dry, since y'all know how I am with systems. I used this coconut and fig hair mask that I also got from Boxycharm. So I used this as my conditioner. When I rinsed it out, I went ahead and put this in with no other product. And then I used it again when I flat ironed my hair. I put a drop of it in there and just, you know, I have video footage. I'll put the video footage of it up there for y'all as well. I love this. For the reason I love it the most is because it smells so good. Pineapple and coconut, those that know me know that is my go-to. Like I'm named after an island, and literally my whole life is like that. I love the beach. I love scents, coconut, pineapple, those kind of, oh my god, love it. So this, I do like it. It made my hair pretty, I guess. My hair doesn't do that bad. I will tell y'all, as I was letting my hair air dry after I put this in, I did find my ends felt kind of drier as I was doing my hair, but after it was flat ironed, it's not there anymore. It's back to normal. But when it was drying, I was like, and I put extra on my ends, because they say to put extra on your ends. And so I did that, and I still thought it was a little bit, my ends felt a little dry, but it wasn't bad. Like I said before, it wasn't bad. So that, I'm gonna give that 3 out of 5 diamonds, only because I didn't notice any big difference in my hair. Like when we got the blow dry, the Dry Bar liquid glass hair sealant, I noticed a difference. This, I didn't notice so much of a difference, so I'm gonna put that at 3 out of 5 diamonds. This retails for $17. Again, it is by Style Dry. And y'all know I love having a system. So the fact that they gave that conditioning mask a while back, and then this time they gave that priming polish, I was very happy with it. Next, this one. Let's talk about this. So this is from Cab Cosmetics. Cab Cosmetics, I will be honest with y'all, I never shopped there, because if I remember correctly, this is Kim Zolciak Biermann's line. I don't like buying from reality stores. I really don't. I don't know what it is. I just don't like it, except for Kylie Cosmetics, Volition Beauty. But other than that, I don't like buying, like Kim Biermann, I have nothing for her, but it was the only option I wanted. This is one I chose. It was the only one that I could see myself using, so I tried it, and I like it for no other reason besides the packaging. I love how this little bottle looks. I love that soft pink. Yeah, KAB is Kim, Ariana, and Brielle, her daughters. I used to watch Real Housewives of Atlanta like crazy when I was younger. They're not people I want to look like. Like, I know that might sound crazy, but if someone comes out with a product line, I have to want to look like them for me to want to buy the product. This was the option. I do like it. I am going to do a wear test on it. I used it today when I was getting ready. So at the end of the night, in the wrap up, I will come back and tell y'all what I think of it, how long it made my makeup last, because it's supposed to make your makeup last long, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so it's supposed to keep your makeup fresh and flawless all day long. I'm using Anastasia foundation, so we will see about that, because that Anastasia does not play usually. And that setting spray, I did use it a couple times this weekend too. It's not the first time I used it today, but I did want to use it since I was reviewing it today, so I like it. It's cute. I will give this 4 out of 5 diamonds right now, but it may change in the end depending on what happens when I check back in. Right now the time is 5:08, so 5 p.m. So when I get back tonight, I'll show y'all what I think. I'll show y'all what it looks like at that time. Oh no, it says 28. This is the full size. Okay, it is $28. That's overpriced. So $28 for this setting spray. It's beautiful, but I don't know what's in it that makes it that much money. But yeah, I'll update y'all when I get home. We'll see if everything is still sitting right, and then... And last but not least, the last product I got in my May Boxycharm is the Fenty Beauty Bomb Posse Mega Mix and Match Shadow Palette. I'm going to try to start doing that now when I get more than one palette, because it looks like Boxycharm is going to keep sending a bunch of eyeshadow palettes. I am certainly not mad at that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to review one beforehand and then insert the footage here. And then I'm going to use the other one on camera with y'all. So Fenty Beauty by Reema. This is the Bomb Posse. It was a limited edition palette. The box, gorgeous. It is one of these snap palettes, which I mentioned in my video last week. I'll put a card for that up here. So I now know what they mean by that. Let me go get the other snap palette. Whew. Okay, y'all. So the Fenty Bomb Posse Mega Mix and Max eyeshadow palette retails for $48. So this is like a nude palette. They have so many of these little snap eyeshadow palettes. I thought you could push these out. You can't push the little thing out as far as I know. What it does is this. I'll show y'all my little rose palette I got. So what they do is you can snap, like attach them to another palette like this, and they literally do snap like that. So like my trip I'm going on this weekend, I could take it where I could put the rose one on the top, and then I could flip it. Like if they have another one for sale, like if they have one or two or whatever, I can hook that one back there too, and then I'd have both palettes. That's literally all the snap shadows mean. So I was curious about it last time, so when I figured it out, I was like, when I shoot the other one, I'm gonna have to let them know what it is. So I'm going to throw y'all to the swatches for that palette. I love this palette. It is just a nude palette, which for me, just a nude palette is never a bad thing. I love a good nude eyeshadow palette because I use them a lot, especially when you have a bold look like this, bold lip. This palette, I think the last time I wore it, I used it with a pink lip, like a pinky purple lip, and it just went so good. The packaging is so beautiful. I love the packaging. The mirror, freaking huge. Freaking huge. I love the white. I don't know how it's not super dirty yet because I've used it so many times already. The shimmers are beautiful. The mattes blend really, really well. So I love this palette as well. This one is going to get 5 out of 5 diamonds as well. I just think this is beautiful. And y'all, I don't like to get on hype trains. I wanted Fenty to not be good so bad. I know that might sound ugly to people, but like, I hate when there's something that's just so overhyped. And when I got the other one, the little one, when I got the little snap palette, I was like, oh damn, this is really freaking good. And then this one just cemented it. Blendability, this one is better than the Ace Beautè one, but I prefer the Ace Beautè one just because the shimmers are so freaking gorgeous and the color story is so original. So this one definitely is an everyday palette. If you only have $100 to spend on makeup, a $50 palette, this would be your everyday palette. So y'all, that is everything I had on my, let me make sure, yep, that's everything that I had to try out today. I mean the Ipsy Glam Bag, the Boxycharm by Ipsy. That's everything, y'all. I have to tell y'all, the May box, insane. Those two eyeshadow palettes, I cannot. Those two eyeshadow palettes took everything else over. Like I did not, even if the other 3 things were terrible, which they weren't, but even if the other 3 things were terrible, I would not care because those 2 palettes are stunning. I cannot give a full rating to the box until I come back and do my time check with the Cab Cosmetics setting spray, but the Ace Beautè one, that palette is going to be a go-to for me. Right up there with my Huda Beauty palettes. How beautiful it is. I have a mirror here. I can't stop looking at it. Just that shimmer in the middle. Chef's kiss. Okay, y'all, so I am back home. I told y'all I would follow up on this Cab Cosmetics setting spray, and look at my makeup, y'all. I will say I do look oily. Like I didn't apply anything else. I didn't apply powder again. I didn't do anything except this because I wanted to come back and check in with y'all. So the time is right now 11:30. So I checked in at 5. So that's almost 7 hours. That's crazy. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And the setting spray didn't claim to be mattifying. Aside from being shiny, nothing really changed. So it's a good, I'm shocked. I'll be honest with y'all, I'm shocked. This is actually a hydrating setting spray and I really like it. I mean, it worked pretty well. I'm gonna, this might start being my go-to because I really like it. I really, really like it actually. Pleasantly surprised because they sent one from El Masca, they sent one from St. Lux, and they were good, but they did not last all day, and I saw my makeup kind of start to break down throughout the day. This one, not so much. And look at my eyeshadow. Yeah, it stayed really, really good, y'all. So yeah, Cab Cosmetics, I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and I am gonna give this one 5 out of 5 diamonds because this wear time is a long time. I feel like if I had a matte foundation instead of a luminous, I feel like my face would have been a lot more mattified. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all that. The box as a whole, I think I said this earlier, but I said I would come back and revisit it after I did my check-in. I'm going to definitely give this box 5 out of 5 diamonds. It is so good. The setting spray in the 2 palettes are amazing. The moisturizer, you guys will see when I try out my I'll do it on a self-care Sunday. This was okay. I mean, it was decent. I have a lot of really good hair primers, so this was okay. It wasn't great, but it wasn't horrible. So this is like a meh product. There were no bad products though, but there were outstanding products. So guys, if y'all want to subscribe to Boxycharm, you guys can look down below in the description. It's going to be in there, along with links to all my other social medias and my dossier code. Don't forget, I'm giving away floral marshmallow when I hit 500 subs. My Truly Beauty affiliate code is going to be down in the description below as well. I'm not going to do my social media breakdown anymore. It's all listed down below, as well as everything I am wearing on my face today is going to also be listed down below. I might also include the TikTok tutorial I did with the Fenty palette, just so that way y'all can see it if y'all need to see the more than just the picture or the clips I inserted here. All right, y'all, if y'all could give me a second. Hey, Roro, it's Nene. Thank you so much for watching my video, baby. I love you so, 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 so much, and I cannot wait to see you, my beautiful, beautiful baby girl. Nene loves you. Mwah. And the rest of y'all, I'll be here next time you want to get glam, if you come on over and get glam with Marty. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.